Hello, my kiss universe. It is Jay with Earthly Kisses, and today is package day. I have no idea what this is. It's not that big of a box. Hopefully, you can see this here. See, this is the bummer. This is the things that I deal with this time, but I don't mind my soapy videos and my soapy stuff on the floor, my dirty dishes and stuff. I've been busy this weekend with making products, listing products, editing videos, and so on and so forth. And I ordered something, y'all. I have no idea what I'm gonna find in this box, but I'm gonna open it on camera with you guys, and we're gonna figure it out together. As soon as I can find my knife so we can get in it. So if you are new to my channel, thanks so much for coming over and saying hi and hanging out with me for a little while. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the little bell so you can be notified of all the new things that we have coming. And what in the world, we got something going on before I could even get in the box. If you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for hanging out with me once again and coming to check me out, see what I got new going on for you. And stuff is flying out of the box before I can get it open. It's the packing slip, but it's usually in the box, not in the flap of the box. Okay, I digress. Okay, so here we go. We're getting in the box, and let's see what comes out of it. All right. Oh, yay. Okay, so we got some more skin loving oils, some avocado oil, and some sunflower oil. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then we got some soybean oil. I'm not that big of a fan of the soybean oil, but I bought a kit and it came with it, so I had no choice. So I guess I'll try it out. It might be okay, but I'm just not a fan of it. Then we got some vitamin E oil. And we got a botanical extract blend. And a little packet of some shea butter that comes along with the kit. And we got a mask, some bottles, and some other fun loving stuff. Let's see what's all in here. So we'll get this box out of the way because this is just all bubble wrap at this point. Okay. Safety first. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. Alright. Your knife. Alright, we got some sweet pea fragrance oil. And then, oh, we got some wild grape sweetened flavor oil. That's for some lip balms. And some wintergreen essential oil, certified 100% pure, all crafter's choice. So that's what we got going on in the box. And the plan with this is to make massage oils. And at times when you're trying to create a product, it can be cheaper to just buy the kit online, play around with it that way to see if this is something that you want to do or don't want to do. These oils can be expensive. This avocado oil and sunflower oil is definitely expensive, while soybean can be very cheap. But when you figure that in, the vitamin E oil, botanical extract blend, by the time you get done buying all of these things individually, your cost is just like through the roof. So for all of you newbies out there, if you're looking to add new lines to your shop, consider getting a kit to play with instead of messing up all your wonderful fabulous oils. You can always substitute an oil later, you know what I'm saying, once you got your processes down, and once you figured out how much. Don't sell experimental products, y'all. Don't do that, please. Please don't sell experimental products. Do your testing at home. Get you some people who you can depend on to be good quality testers who can give you a good feedback on your product. Then list your product. Do it the right way now. So I'm making massage oils, and while I don't intend on using these bottles, I already know that even if I buy this kit, I already offer products in these bottles, so the more the merrier. I do plan on using these caps, and I do have smaller bottles that I would prefer to put these in. And I just bought this kit. Hey, I was gonna get some fragrance with it anyway, might as well go ahead and try the kit. So I did that, and I ordered the Sweet Pea fragrance. I believe this is like the fragrance of the month or some crap like that, but I love Sweet Pea. So I ordered it. And I'll save the essential oils and whatnot that I have with this for later. What I am experimenting in making is edible massage oils. So I've been ordering flavors and this, that, and the other, and I'm gonna make really teeny tiny bottles to start off with. I have a couple that has been dying for me to make this. So the wife of the couple, she just recently have been diagnosed with not so good diagnosis. So I'm trying to put a rush on making this product for her so she'll at least get a chance to experience it and find a place of enjoyment in her life while she's going through her health trials. So we're gonna test this kit out. I don't know how much to the letter I'm gonna use as far as the way the recipe calls for it to be put together. I would not want to eat shea butter. You know, but soybean oil, you know, you can sometimes find that in food, sunflower, avocado, you know what I'm saying. So I'll be playing around with that and everything. So there'll probably be some videos coming up of me doing some testers. And we'll see what I like and we'll see what I don't like, you know. So that is what was in the box. I just knew I ordered more than that, but who knows. I shop on a whim sometimes, you know. I get an idea in my head and I go. I don't think about all of that. I don't try to, you know, save things up and make a bigger order and all the yada yada yada. I have to do what I gotta do while it's on my brain. So that is what's in that kit. So yeah, stay tuned to this channel. There's going to be more things coming up as I work on these massage oils. I got more soapy videos coming up because I'm getting ready for the release of this new store, and I'm not done making soaps. So there will be more soapy videos. Don't think I'm gonna do a body butter video. I mean, who the hell wants to sit there and watch the blender, the mixer going around in circles forever and a day? There's no excitement there. But if there's anything that you guys really want to see, let me know, and I will be definitely sure to incorporate it into my content just to please you and put a smile on your face, even if it's just for a day. But until the next video, I gotta clean up on aisle 9 in the whole kitchen here. There's stuff everywhere, so I got a lot of work to do, guys. Till the next video. Ta-ta.